Good morning. Today we are in Carunchio, a beautiful village in Abruzzo region at just 35 minutes from the Adriatic coast. The house we wish to propose you is this townhouse. The main entrance opens directly into the small kitchen with a fireplace. The gas boiler for heating and for the hot water. Next to the kitchen we find a living room. This internal staircase takes us to the upper floor, where we find a master bedroom with double exposure. This is the second window. On the same floor there is also a small bathroom and a toilet. On the last floor we find a second bedroom. Enjoying the balcony with a beautiful panoramic view of the surrounding mountains, hills and other villages. The house avails of the cellar, which can be connected to the main house. And at the back of the house there is an additional room with a washing machine and another cellar. Unfortunately, we don't have any keys at the moment. If you are interested in this property, you can contact us by email at info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.